Here are the results of our latest Warrior Challenge. I'm so happy to see even more entries this time, so that means that even more of you guys decided to participate and to challenge yourself to improve your skills and your imagination. And I can say that there are some really creative ideas born out of this challenge, and I'm always happy to see that. Now let's watch together all the entries, and at the end I will reveal my 3 favorite ones and shout out to these artists. By the way, I included all the files that you guys submitted via my email address, except few of the files that I couldn't open for some reason. Some of them were external links that I specifically asked not to do that. Just send me as an attachment, as a JPEG file, but few of you guys didn't do that. I had an issue with that, so unfortunately these entries are not here. Now let's watch everything together and let's reveal my 3 favorite ones at the end. Now I will show my 3 favorite artworks from this challenge, and without any particular order, this is the first one, done by Scott Spencer. I really love it, especially because he decided to change the hat and to put the hat of this really nice woman, and added a lot of details here, and I really like how this went, the color grading, the lights overall and everything. So really happy about this. Congratulations, Scott. This is amazing entry, and especially I was thrilled about changing the hat here to this more realistic one. So well done. Also, you can see his Instagram account here on the screen, so check it out, his work. This is the next artwork that I really love. This is done by AXF Studio. Check out the Instagram account to see more of his work. I really love this because it's so dramatic. I love the mood, love the lights, love the detail of shiny blade here, and also that the head is a little bit tilted, so he changed a little bit the warrior. It's not just cut it out and place it there. And also I love the details about this how to say, this gate from Japanese culture, and this cherry trees that should be like that, and these mountains, the snow, and overall mood is really great. I'm really happy about this, so congratulations to you too. And the last but not the least one is this one. Again, I really like it. This is done by Adele from Eclipse Studio. I really love this image, especially because of the depth that is included here. So this image has three plans: front plan with this big rock right here that you can see, then the middle plan is the hero itself, the warrior, with this ground, and also the back plan, the third plan, are those rocks with the sky and everything. And I really love how this is included to add even more tridimensionality to the image itself. Also love the element of the fire here, and overall lighting and the shadow and everything is pretty well done. I'm so happy about this, so congratulations Adele to this really cool artwork. Also these details, glowing eyes with this part right here is really cool. I'm really happy about this challenge, and what I noticed is that from challenge to challenge there's some amazing ideas born out of this, some really creative stuff, but a lot of them with not such a great realization. But don't worry about that, that means that you have brilliant creative mind, but you're lacking compositing and Photoshop skills. So you need just to practice even more, just invest even more time in practicing these compositing, photo manipulations, and you will eventually become really good in that, and you will be able to transfer your creative ideas into more realistic artwork. So thank you one more time for this amazing challenge. Until next episode, have fun, experiment, and see you next time. Bye bye.